Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yeah, so there's a letter that's circulating all over the internet about Ninja Man, Desmond, Ninja Man, Ugly Man, Valentine. A former dancehall artist has written a letter requesting a meeting with the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Mr. Andrew Holness, the Minister of National Security, Dr. Orius Chang, and the opposition leader of the PMP criminal organization, Mark Golden. Ninja Man, who has been convicted of murder and serving time in prison for taking the life of another Jamaican. He wants to meet with the Prime Minister, the Minister of National Security, and Mark Golden. I know Mark Golden go and meet with him because Mark Golden, I've never seen a murderer that he never loved. Remember that this is the man that you see, so when he's telling you, Mark Golden is telling you that he get a strength from jungle. He's telling you about George Pang, Yes, George Pang, the man who's allegedly killed 144 old people, women at Eventide, over 43 years ago. And then we see him march with George Pang and Danville Palmer, Labor Day this year. So when he's telling you about he get a strength from junglist and nobody can talk, no boy in a parliament can talk to him, talking like some thug, that's where he get all of that from. So we know that he'll meet with Ninja Man. But we at the Jamaica Young Police channel will, tell the Prime Minister and the Minister and that don't even give any credence to this man's letter. Because this man have it all and he decided to, because he have been killing people and getting away with it. And finally, yes, Michael Phipps, the investigator who used to be at St. Andrews out at Hunts, where that justice was served this time. So Ninja Man and his son, Waste Man, he and his son is in prison. What kind of father is that? A cruff, you understand, worthless. So for years, Ninja Man and others like him have been responsible for countless killings. And finally, the justice system has caught up with him with these parasites. However, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel urge Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Minister of National Security, Dr. Orius Chang, not to entertain the idea of meeting with this carousing, dishonorable, convicted killer, Desmond, Ninja Man, Ugly Man, Valentine. Instead, we propose a different approach for all convicted criminals in prison in Jamaica. They should be required to work hard and contribute to society. Yes, they should work hard. Because they say they're sentencing them to hard labor, in which these men are not working in prison. All they have been doing is having parties, using cell phone and planning other murders from inside there behind the bars of prison. And it's time now for the authorities to do something about it. Yes, it's time, yeah. So, Ninja Man need to play the Pied Piper for all these crimes that he has committed over the years. Yes. So we understand. So let's ensure that the sentencing guidelines are followed and that the men and women in prison start their career as responsible individuals. We understand that many Jamaicans sympathize with criminals, yes, and lawyers are ready to offer excuses and pour sympathy drinks. Yes, sympathy drinks, when you drink it, you get drunk from sympathy, and even all your enemy, you're sorry for him kill your mother, you say, all right, call it quits. Yeah, them give you 200,000 and you just drink up the sympathy drinks. And that's everything, you just forgot that they had killed your mother. And, outpouring of sympathy keep from your body and your mind. Because, you're high on sympathy. But when someone is sentenced to hard labor in prison, it should mean hard work, nothing else. Prison should not be a place for fun and partying, as we have seen videos coming out of various prisons in Jamaica. And we have seen where men, at night, he stays in prison and orchestrates the death of Medic, a girl who, that she had her, Prince Charming, but he was nothing but Prince Armin. So, you know that she's dead. And we at the Jamaica Young Police Channel have reported it. So, there's so many things that need to be done to the prison system in Jamaica. So in order to achieve real change, the government should outsource the prison system to white southern people in the United States of America. Yes, outsource the prison system to white southern people in the United States. Yes, they have the experience in managing the prison industrial complex. We suggest in building a super maximum prison in the mountains. Yes, surrounded by electric fence that will electrocute anyone attempting to enter the restricted area. Make it mandatory for inmates to work, compensating with 2 US cents daily. Yeah, so America do it, Yeah, you work 2. So a man go to prison and do all 30 and him come out at $80 him get. So him, say him no want to come back, because him have custody the entire time, $80 US. So I let them have to do them. In a prison in America, them have all even call center where them have operate the phone and all them things there, and one whole heap of things. Yeah, the prisoner them in America, them work. You understand? So they should work 7 days a week. Yeah, man, overseen by prison wardens from the United States of America. So, your white people, them, so they don't play, So you go, man. So these people in a sentry box and all kind of thing, and based on all the layout of this place there. No guy can come there. The guy cannot just come there just like that. You understand? Because there's an access point. Yeah, you understand? And they cannot cut the fence because the fence have high voltage, and if you touch it, yeah, electrocution. And if somebody get electrocuted, you don't let them stay there and fry. You understand? Yeah, that's how it is. You have to treat them people. That is. This will create. So this will create a community within the prison compound. Yeah, so in America now, like in the South now, the prison, although it's a prison, they have a compound, they have everything there for the family. Everybody live in the prison. They have them own supermarket, them own this, them own that, them go church and everything. So them just live there. Everybody will live there, have gone. You understand? So, so it's like a family. It's a close-knit community. You understand? So what we are proposing will transform the lives of these youths who have been enjoying leniency from the justice system. It's time for them to experience the actual consequences of their actions. Let us sign the likes like Donald Zeeks Phipps, Adija, Vive Cartel Palmer, Andre Blackman Bryan, Tesha Miller, Citypus, and the other convicted criminals to work like dogs, allowing them only 6 hours to sleep. Yeah, so you let them work for 18 hours. When them finish the 18, they let them finish. And you understand, and go get them shower and go them bed and them things. So them work. A man now go on for go to prison. So the life of convicted criminals should be miserable and filled with hard work. So they can understand the importance of accountability and responsibility. This will also save taxpayers money while ensuring these individuals contribute positively to society. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. And consider our vision for transforming Jamaican prison system. Yeah, if you haven't subscribed to the Jamaica Young Police channel, yeah man, consider subscribing now. Yeah, hit the notification bell and select all. Hit the thumbs up button. Yeah, there's a thing where says thumbs up. You have thumbs up and thumbs down. Thumbs up means the video nice and them thing and you love it. And yeah, that's all you love the video by giving it a thumbs up. Or you can you can love the video even in your head, but remember to give it a thumbs up. Share the video, yeah, share the video with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your neighbor, your co-worker, even your teacher, yeah, you understand? Share the video. Comment below. Yeah, share your thoughts. Let us at the Jamaica Young Police Channel know what you're thinking about our proposal to change the prison system. So you put the necessary comments below. Yeah, so share your thoughts below. Join the Jamaica Young Police channel. Yeah, there's a link right beside the Jamaica Young Police Channel emblem or logo, just click that and join it. And there's a Patreon squad where you'll be able to see and watch videos that you can't see on YouTube due to YouTube rules, regulations, and policies. So you have to go to the Patreon. Like, you'll be able to see who killed Rifle, who killed Trinity, who killed Warner British. I can go on, and who killed Douglas Chambers. And there's so many other things that's coming too. Yeah, so moving on. So, please subscribe to our channel for more discussion on justice and accountability. So we know that former dancehall artist Desmond Uglyman Ballantyne, also known as Ninja Man, has recently written a letter requesting meeting with various high-profile figures in Jamaica, including Prime Minister Andrew Holness, Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang, and opposition leader of the PMP criminal organization Mark Golding. Ballantyne, who is currently serving prison for a sentence for murder of another individual, has been involved in a history of violent act. Finally caught by the justice system, Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Dr. Horace Chang need to exercise caution and avoid engaging with this convicted murderer. In light of similar cases, all convicted criminals serving time in prison must adhere to their sentencing guideline, which include engaging in productive work. It is well known that our Jamaican population often sympathize with criminals, and some lawyers are adept at finding excuses on their behalf. However, it is essential to emphasize that hard labor means precisely that, hard labor with no form of leisure or enjoyment in prison. One potential solution to this problem is to outsource the management of our prison system to experienced entities such as the white southern people in the United States of America. Doing so can ensure a fair and efficient prison industrial complex. As part of this outsourcing agreement, a super maximum prison can be constructed in a remote mountains area with all the necessary security measures put in place. This would include electrified fences to prevent unauthorized entry into restricted areas. In this scenario, all inmates would be required to engage in labor and be compensated with a daily wage of 2 US cents, working 7 days a week. Moreover, employing foreign prison wardens from the southern United States of America would create a dedicated community within the prison compound. Their expertise in managing black criminals efficiently by teaching them self-respect, punctuality, and responsibility could greatly benefit our incarcerated population by reducing costs and ensuring that the prisoners plant their own food and rear animals and give these people immunity from prosecution so that they can deal with it appropriately. So I will say that now where I talk, say, you see white people now who manage a prison. I tell you, the reason why I'm saying that is that I have watched a documentary years ago with a white man, and he had stole a butter bar. I think the name, but I don't remember the correct name right now. I'm just looking at it still because I don't want to eat them thing there. One of them bar thing there, butter something. And it valued like $1.20 at the time. And him get 30 years prison feet, a white man. And him say for the 30 years he was in prison, not even. Him say he became a Christian because he thought becoming a convert into Christianity would cut him some slack because you go to church on Sundays. But guess what? Him say when him finish church, him still have to go to work same way. So he understand. Him still make opportunity at the time. And him say when they go in a church, he can't sleep. So he did this 30 years. If he had $1 something, I'm just looking at the thing, but I know it's butter something. And he said he did 30 years. After he did this 30 years, and so from the south, from the south. After he did this 30 years, and when he was leaving prison, he got $200 and something, and he used it and buy a bus ticket, and went to New York. And he said as long as he live, he'll never go back down to the south. He said it's the wickedest time of his life. He was hungry and took energy bar, and he got 30 years. So that's how these people, how they treat criminals. You understand? And these people, it's white people, you know, you understand, and they know how to work people. And this man said he works every day, even on holidays. And you know, holiday in America, them kind of relaxed thing. No, in our prison, you still work. So that's why I want these people to man the prison in Jamaica. Because look, even, well, you know, the Jamaican government now go on to pay them, because you understand what I'm saying. But once them get in the compound and get them and make them deal with them, because they will know if they make money from the prison of them, you know. Yes, that's all the government have to do, you know, outsource it, give hand over everything to them, and yeah, because them will know how to make money out of the prison of them. So you just give them, and there's an agreement between the government and them, and these entities, or these organizations, or corporations that deal with the prison industrial complex. So what they would do, sign a contract, yeah, the government does a certain amount of funding, but with the money that they are going to make from the prison is from the prisoners. And they are going to have immunity from prosecution. Yeah, man, so that entire the prison man misbehave, them know for do. And the prison is that is like a country within a country. You understand? Now Jamaican for justice and all them fool people, them can't get no access to the prison. And I like GP where you say the convicted court dealer Isaac Buchanan come out and all kind of things. You understand? For Vibes Cartel, him have to work. Him have to drop down and dead when him at work. I saw it go on them thing in a prison in America. A man got a prison, him work. You understand? Yeah. So additional cell phone access should be strictly prohibited, similar to prisons such as the one in Colorado, which is underground. So it is high time for convicted criminals such as Donald Zeke Phipps, Adija, Vibes Cartel, Palmer, Andre Blackman Bryan, Tesha Miller, and Citypus to experience a true nature of prison life by implementing and demanding work regime and permitting only 6 hours of sleep. Their lives will become miserable, deterring future crimes, and ultimately saving taxpayers' money. The government must ensure that these individuals work diligently daily, including holidays, so they don't get no rest. You understand? So this is the letter now. We're going to read what it says nationwide. I'm saying incarcerated dancehall artist Ninjaman, you know, made a proposal to change the country's prison system. And he could have changed it without going there, but apparently him loves with their own man and them thing there. You understand? So in a letter to Prime Minister Andrew Holness, opposition leader Mark Golding of the PMP Criminal Organization, and National Security Minister Dr. Orius Chan, Ninjaman urged leaders to consider his proposal. Ninjaman said Jamaica's prison system is not focused on rehabilitating inmates. Well, no one rehabilitate. He wants the government to support his plan to establish a proper rehab program focused on helping prisoners achieve self-reliance. Ninjaman is requesting a meeting with the Prime Minister, Minister of National Security, and Justice Minister Delroy. Yeah, Delroy could meet him because him love killers, to discuss his plan. He said he wants a system where the general public can receive services from prisoners, such as carpentry, at a lower cost than other businesses. He is also calling on Jamaica Human Rights Organization to advocate for prisoners in need of medical attention, as well as to address the issue of overpopulation of prisons. Meanwhile, opposition leader Mark Golding has written to Ninjaman, thanking him for his letter. Mr. Golding agreed with Ninjaman's concern about the country's prison system. We believe those concerns are worthy of serious consideration with a view to action. The opposition leader said the government should explore ideas tabled by Ninjaman. He described Ninjaman's commitment to spearheading the rehab program as commendable and wished to engage further with the plan. Mr. Golden expressed hope that the government will facilitate bipartisan process to move the matter forward. Yeah, hey, this a man, you know, he never say a murder where he never love yet, you know. You understand? Remember, I said this is the same man who pal around with Danville Palmer, you know, the known murderer, yeah, from Anatown. You understand? And George Pang. The same man everybody say, you understand? You know, the same guy where them say he's on parole for murder. And I don't know where in the world you know you get something like that where a man on parole for murder. So We know Mark Gold will meet with Ninja Man. Yeah, man, him figure a prison will meet with him, man. I hope, you know, yeah. Well, most of the people them in a prison, most of them, I ask him, I tell you, most of the people them, if them do a survey in a prison, them, 96% of the people them in a prison are PMP, are PMP, are people who are PMP supporters of the criminal organization. I ask you, because they are the ones who are the real problem in our country. From I've been growing up, they are the ones. They are the terrorists. Yes. Even when I was a police officer in Jamaica, it's them that give all of the trouble. You understand? Yeah. So, as we say, you know, the white people, them know for work black people, you know. Yeah, man, I make them live a life. When we talk about inhumane treatment, yeah, man, them kill it with that, man, because them not love like black people, you know. So you get the white people them for run in prison, and make them treat them how them for treat them. All Ninja Man, yeah. Like how him say my Dan Gargan and gold teeth, front teeth, gang Gargan. Yeah, man, him bust up all stone and all them thing there. So I hope the government does think about my, you know, my proposal. You know, for meet with me, because my thing on YouTube. Make Ninja Man stay there. Ninja Man had the chance to enjoy his freedom. After so many people him kill, him the charge to kill all a taxi man, witness them collect money, and him walk, and him feel say down, he could have killed this youth now because the youth come from Mall Road, and him walk. You understand? So them have to even tell lies so them can't find a witness and surprise him. And the day when him see witness, him shit up himself in a court, yeah. Literally, yeah. Him man have diarrhea, Ninja Man shit up himself in a court. So I say it because him knows the boy, that's how the survivor after killing. Which father take him own son and carry him go to illegal, go commit crime? And when Ninja Man do something like that, and the next one, and my father, him encourage him son to commit crime and him die prison now. What kind of father figure these guys are? These guys are waste man. Waste men. But hey, look, we just hope Ninja Man rat in our prison. Yeah, man, we know Ninja Man and we know him good too. Yeah. But Ninja Man, you know, him nah know nothing about him. Ninja is just a corrose and a corrobunkus, criminal-minded person. You understand? So Ninja Man at the right place, and I hope him die in a prison. Him and Vibes Cartel and the rest of them. You understand? Because all of these people are violators of people's human rights. But here I talk about, say, boy, if you contact human rights organization. So I just hope Dr. Chan and the Prime Minister don't meet with Ninja Man or any prisoner. They have so many things doing, try to control crime in our country. After the PMP criminal organization dismantle everything that was making things much better for Jamaican people. So now the JLP government have to do in catch up. You know, so we don't like criminal over here. Yes. And we believe in that every criminal must live in fear of losing their lives and not the law-abiding citizens. Have a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel, out.